Good morning, and welcome to this webinar, Essential Oils for Babies. I am so excited that you're all here, and I hope you're ready to dive deeper into the wonderful world of essential oils. Health fads come and go, but essential oils have been used reliably and extensively in medicine for thousands of years. Today, we're going to learn about the best oils and methods that you can use in your home to help keep your baby happy and healthy. The first thing we should address is the sensitivities that babies have in comparison to adults. Because they have weaker immune systems, smaller bodies, more sensitive skin, and their livers can only process so much at a time, keep this information in mind. Always test patch. To perform a test patch, apply a small, no larger than a dime, amount of diluted essential oil to a baby's leg or arm. Wait for 24 hours to see if there's a reaction. If no reaction occurs, it's likely safe to move forward with application in the future. Commonly irritating oils that should be saved until children are older include cassia, cinnamon, oregano, peppermint, and anything with a heavy menthol base. When you first begin introducing essential oils to your baby, do so one at a time. This means avoiding blends of oils and instead testing each oil on its own. Follow the test patch procedures I described before. While most adults can handle a few drops of pure essential oil on the skin, your little ones aren't as well equipped. When applying oil to the skin, use these dilution ratios. For children under the age of 2, 1 drop of oil to 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. For children above the age of 2, 2 drops of oil to 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. Go easy on the dropper when diffusing oils as well. If someone walks into the room and the fragrance is overwhelmingly noticeable to them, it's likely too strong for your baby. These days, a lot of baby products include essential oils. While this may make the product seem more natural and safe, but there is no way to ensure the quality of the oil, unless it's a doTERRA product, of course. Most store-bought oils have solvents, pesticides, synthetics, and other chemicals that you won't be able to tell by just looking at the label. No oils on the market are more thoroughly tested to be pure and safe than doTERRA's certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. As a rule of thumb, stick to unscented baby products and add your own doTERRA essential oils once you know that they are safe for your baby. To assure that you don't get too heavy-handed with essential oils around your little ones, stick to adding a few drops to a bottle of water to spritz around the room or adding a few drops to a water-based diffuser. Avoid spritzing pillows to make sure that your baby doesn't ingest any oils. Carrier oils to mix with essential oils include vegetable oil, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil. Dilute as suggested above. Keep all your oils out of the reach of children at all times, and do not let your children of any age ingest pure oil. If any oil is ingested, it's likely that small amounts of oil won't do any harm, and it's extremely rare for a child to drink enough to be harmed. But just in case, give the child an oil-soluble liquid like milk or half and half, and call poison controls for further assistance. Also, do not put any oils in or around your baby's nose. Use only gentle oils, well diluted, on the face when needed. Now for more information about specific oils to use on babies. Roman chamomile is a gentle essential oil that can be beneficial for babies who have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, or are suffering from colic. Chamomile oil can also be mixed with the carrier oil and massaged along the baby's jawline to help soothe pain from teething. Lavender also has a natural sedative properties that can help aid in relaxation, sleep, and alleviating muscle pain. To use it the same way you would chamomile to massage onto sore jawlines when teething. Lavender is also a natural antiseptic, making it perfect to dilute and dab on insect bites, sunburns, cuts, and scrapes. It's also nice to add to cleaning products that you use around the house. Melaleuca, also known as tea tree oil, is a faithful standby that most people have heard of and many have on hand already. This fantastic oil is naturally antimicrobial, antifungal, and a disinfectant. Adding a few drops to a carrier oil may help with diaper rash and fungal infections. To help boost babies' immunity with frankincense, this oil helps promote a healthy inflammatory response and is great to use once baby starts rolling and crawling around the house. Help keep your baby healthy and energized while excess germs are floating around by mixing a drop of lemon oil with a carrier oil and rubbing it onto the baby's chest. You can also use lemon as a fresh diffuser scent. Stomach upset, constipation, or excess gassiness calls for a little bit of ginger oil. Ginger is a known digestive aid and has a soothing and calming aroma that is great for diffusing or massaging into the belly with a carrier oil. Soft and floral, jasmine can help calm temper tantrums and aid in winding down before a nap or after a long day. doTERRA's pre-diluted jasmine touch makes application to baby's feet or pulse points very easy. Studies show that regular massages for baby can improve weight gain in preterm infants, encourage development, and decrease irritability and sleep disturbances. Just like massages for adults, massages for babies can help stimulate the central nervous system and release feel-good hormones like serotonin. While oils aren't necessary to massage a baby, they do make the process easier by allowing the caregiver's hands to glide more easily over the skin. If your baby is under 3 months, avoid using essential oils in your massages. If they're old enough, add a drop or two to a carrier oil and perform a gentle yet firm massage on the belly, back, arms, and legs. Lavender is a really good one. The warm, woody aroma of doTERRA's Balance Grounding Blend creates a sense of calm and well-being. doTERRA perfectly blends spruce, hoe wood, frankincense, blue tansy, and blue chamomile with fractionated coconut oil to offer an enticing fragrance that promotes tranquility and relaxation. Spruce, one of the oils in doTERRA Balance, was used by Native Americans for health and spiritual reasons, and is still used today to bring harmony to the mind and body. Hoewood, blue tansy, and blue chamomile can ease anxious feelings, while frankincense provides a grounding, balancing effect on emotions. Balance is great for diffusing and is also mild enough to be safely applied to the bottoms of your baby's feet. Designed to take the mess out of diluting an oil yourself, the Touch Collection comes pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oil. This means it is perfect to use with your child's naturally sensitive skin. Store lavender, frankincense, melaleuca or tea tree, jasmine, doTERRA Breathe, and Digestion Touch in a drawer for easy access. There's nothing worse than an irritating bug bite at any age, Surround your baby with the protection they need and keep the insects at bay with a do-it-yourself bug spray using witch hazel, lavender oil, citronella oil, rubbing alcohol, and boiled water. See the recipe and mixing instructions on the slide. Some commercial diaper creams include ingredients that can irritate a baby's delicate skin. This recipe for homemade diaper cream with essential oils is simple, natural, and great for helping soothe and soften skin safely. While coconut oil is an excellent moisturizer, the majority of the soothing benefits come from the addition of lavender and melaleuca or tea tree essential oil. More details on this, go to doTERRA.com and search DIY diaper cream. Here is the recipe and instructions for making the diaper cream on the screen. To help protect your baby's skin from excess moisture, whip up a batch of doTERRA's natural and non-irritating baby powder to use during diaper changes. The recipe includes Roman chamomile and lavender oils, along with cornstarch, arrowroot powder, and finely ground oats. See the recipe on the slide. Please note that arrowroot powder can be found at most health food stores. If you don't have finely ground oats, combine ingredients in a blender and pulse until finely ground. Use an empty spice jar with sifter lid for easy application. For more information, go to doTERRA.com and search DIY baby powder. While putting together this class, this webinar, I used the following resources. Most of them were through doTERRA.com, but you can see some other ones including Healthline and Gentle Nursery and Aroma Tools. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to join me. I absolutely loved getting to chat with you and hope that you learned something valuable about essential oils. If you have any further questions, please contact me. Peggy Meyer, doTERRA Wellness Advocate. My email, peggy@positivesolutions@gmail.com, or visit me on Facebook at Positive Solutions for Life. Thank you and have a great day.